Hey everyone, it's Katie and you're watching another episode of AFI's DIYs. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very convenient product, water-based air freshener. This product would be great because it's handy for many different situations and can quickly freshen up any space. With just a few ingredients, they're easy to make and package. The biggest difference between these fresheners and an oil-based air freshener is this one can be sprayed anywhere and won't leave any residue. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to want 8 1-ounce spray bottles. For this, you're going to need a surfactant, and today we'll be using Surfonic N120. You'll also need water and your fragrance. Additionally, you'll need some extra beakers and a stainless steel utensil. The surfactant will help the fragrance dissolve into the water. This is a super easy product to make. The hardest part is choosing which fragrance you're going to want. I ended up choosing Japanese cherry. Wow, I wish you could smell how great this is. If you really want to keep your room smelling fresh, make sure you check out our incense sticks video. The mixture is going to be 30% blend of fragrance and surfactant. The other 70% is just water. So we're going to start with the blend first. The blend itself is 30% fragrance and 70% surfactant. For our recipe, we'll be using 21.6 milliliters of fragrance and 50.4 milliliters of surfactant. We'll be using Surfonic N120, but you can also use Trident X100 or polysorbate. Check out the links below to see our recommended surfactants. Now you're going to want to add your fragrance into your surfactant. Stir it well. Our blend comes out to be 72 milliliters. Now just add this blend to the water. Once the mixtures are completely mixed, they'll be ready to be put in the bottles. Now you're ready to pour. Your air freshener is ready to go. It really was that easy to make. This product ended up costing us about $1. You can wholesale it for about $2 or retail it for $5. These will keep your customers' air smelling fresh. Thanks for watching another AFI DIY. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel below. I'm Katie and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!